Hello, lovelies. Let's make the simplest, yummiest Nigerian fried rice together. Okay? So, I used to have this office assistant lady while I was working. She used to help me run some errands, like buy me food whenever I don't take food from home. And anytime I send her out to do those stuffs for me, I would also extend kindness to her. Sometimes I give her extra 300 naira or even 500 naira to get herself anything. In fact, she was my go-to for any errand. In fact, that made other colleagues of her to want to help me buy food. But because I was able to rely on her, I won't send anyone else. So this went on and on, until one day she didn't come to work. I think she was ill or so. So I decided to go to the place where she usually buys for me. I was given the description of the place, and on getting there, guys, I called out my order, and lo and behold, I was seeing heavily mounted food with double of the meat. I was wondering what was going on. My curiosity made me ask how much they sell a meat, a fish, and the rest. Their prices left me surprised. I was like, this lady has been cheating me. Though I do not feel good about the food, I told a friend and he asked me to confront her. The food tasted different from what I usually get. But I felt, she must have been cheating me. The following day, when she came back to work, I called her to ask about how she was helping me get food. She was like, why are you asking? You have never asked me. She was really surprised that I was asking her. I simply told her to answer my question. She told me that she has been buying from the exact place, and I told her that, okay, let's go there together. I was expecting her to actually resist and say no need, but she said okay, that we can go together. So we went there. As we were about entering the place that I had eaten the previous day, she said, no, not there. We are passing this side and we are almost there. Oh my God, I was like, wow. Is this not the place where you do buy the food? She said no. Their food there is not okay. Their food is not neat and is not okay. She said she has been buying food in the area, and she can boast that where she usually buy food for me is the best. At this point, everything that was going on in my mind vanished, and I smiled. We got there, and she bought at the exact price that she usually buys for me. And then I was thinking, what if I had impatiently accused her? What if I had allowed my emotions to get the better side of me? What if I had said something demeaning? That would have really hurt her. Or what if I just stopped sending her messages thinking I don't want her to benefit from my money as a way of punishing her for something she did not even do? What if? I kept asking myself. So my dear, that's why we need to investigate things thoroughly so that we are able to establish the truth. Because at times, patience is needed. In our day-to-day activities, in the way we relate with people around us, in our relationships, our marriages, friendship, and every other way of life, you just need patience. You can't go on about, just reacting based on your emotions, because emotions, they are not trustworthy. You can't rely on them because they can fail you at any time. So it's just best to establish the truth before reacting to situation. Imagine if I had accused her wrongly. It would have hurt her so well, and in the long run, it would make me really, really unhappy too. And the friendship that we have built, the trust we have built, I would have ruined it in a hurry. So my darling, if you have watched till this point, please do give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't, then click on the notification bell beside it to get notified when next I upload a new video. To all those who have been supporting me, I say thank you and I appreciate you all. Please stay blessed till I come your way next time. Bye-bye.